Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of the English Adventure Histories. Today, we're exploring a fascinating topic that has intrigued language learners for decades. Can you really learn English while you sleep? It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Imagine waking up fluent in English without lifting a finger. But is this idea a myth or a reality? In this episode, we'll dive into the science behind sleep learning, how it works, and whether it's an effective way to improve your English skills. So, grab a cozy blanket, get comfortable, and let's uncover the truth about learning English while you sleep. Underscore, 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 underscore. First, let's talk about the concept of sleep learning, also known as hypnopedia. The idea is that you can absorb information, like new vocabulary or grammar rules, while you're asleep. This concept became popular in the 20th century, with claims that listening to recordings during sleep could help you learn a new language effortlessly. But is there any scientific evidence to support this? Let's take a closer look. Research shows that sleep plays a crucial role in memory and learning. When you sleep, your brain processes and consolidates the information you've learned during the day. This means that sleep helps you retain what you've studied, making it easier to recall later. However, the idea of learning entirely new information while asleep is a bit more complicated. While your brain is active during sleep, it's not in the same state as when you're awake and consciously learning. So, can you really learn English from scratch while sleeping? Probably not. But can sleep enhance your learning? Absolutely. Underscore, 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 underscore. Underscore, 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 underscore. Let's break it down. There are two main stages of sleep: REM sleep, rapid eye movement, and non-REM sleep. Non-REM sleep is further divided into 3 stages, with the deepest stage being the most important for memory consolidation. During this stage, your brain replays and organizes the information you've learned, strengthening neural connections. This is why a good night's sleep is essential for effective learning. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Studies have shown that certain types of learning can be enhanced during sleep. For example, if you listen to vocabulary words or phrases you've already studied before going to bed, your brain is more likely to retain that information. This is because your brain is already familiar with the material, and sleep helps solidify it in your memory. So, while you might not learn entirely new concepts while sleeping, you can definitely reinforce what you've already learned. Underscore, 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 underscore. Underscore, 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 underscore. So, how can you use sleep to improve your English? Here are some practical tips to make the most of your sleep time. First, review your English lessons or vocabulary lists before bed. Spend 10 to 15 minutes going over the material you want to remember. This could be new words, phrases, or even grammar rules. By doing this, you're priming your brain to process and consolidate that information during sleep. Next, try listening to English audio while you sleep. This could be a podcast, an audiobook, or even a recording of your own voice reading English material. The key is to choose something you've already studied or are familiar with. For example, if you've been practicing a dialogue or a set of vocabulary words, listen to that recording as you fall asleep. The goal isn't to learn something new, but to reinforce what you've already learned. Another tip is to create a relaxing bedtime routine that includes English. For example, you could read a short story in English, listen to calming English music, or practice a few minutes of mindfulness in English. This helps your brain associate English with relaxation, making it easier to absorb the language. Underscore, 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 underscore. Now, let's talk about the limitations of sleep learning. While sleep can enhance your learning, it's not a magic solution. You still need to put in the effort during the day to study and practice English. Sleep learning works best as a supplement to your regular study routine, not a replacement. Think of it as a way to boost your memory and retention, not as a shortcut to fluency. It's also important to note that not all sleep is created equal. The quality of your sleep matters just as much as the quantity. If you're not getting enough deep sleep, your brain won't be able to consolidate information effectively. So, make sure you're practicing good sleep hygiene. This includes going to bed at the same time every night, avoiding screens before bed, and creating a comfortable sleep environment. Underscore, 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 underscore. Let's look at some real-life examples of how sleep learning can be used. Imagine you've been studying a list of 20 new vocabulary words. During the day, you practice using these words in sentences and quiz yourself. Before bed, you review the list one more time and then listen to a recording of the words as you fall asleep. The next morning, you test yourself again and find that you remember more words than usual. This is the power of sleep-enhanced learning. Another example is practicing pronunciation. If you've been working on your accent or intonation, try recording yourself reading a short passage in English. Listen to the recording as you fall asleep. Over time, you may notice that your pronunciation improves because your brain is reinforcing the correct sounds while you sleep. Underscore, 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 underscore. Now, let's address some common myths about sleep learning. One myth is that you can learn an entire language just by listening to recordings while you sleep. As we've discussed, this isn't true. Sleep learning works best when it's used to reinforce what you've already studied. Another myth is that sleep learning is effortless. While it doesn't require active effort, you still need to put in the work during the day to see results. It's also important to be realistic about your expectations. Sleep learning won't make you fluent overnight, but it can help you remember vocabulary, improve your pronunciation, and boost your confidence. Think of it as a tool in your language learning toolbox, not the entire toolbox. Underscore, 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 underscore. Finally, Let's talk about how to combine sleep learning with other strategies for maximum results. One effective approach is to use spaced repetition. This is a learning technique where you review material at increasing intervals over time. For example, you might review a set of vocabulary words on day 1, day 3, day 7, and so on. By combining spaced repetition with sleep learning, you can reinforce the material at multiple stages, making it easier to remember. Another strategy is to use multisensory learning. This means engaging multiple senses, like sight, sound, and touch, to enhance your learning. For example, you could write down new vocabulary words, say them out loud, and listen to them in a recording. By involving multiple senses, you create stronger neural connections, which are further reinforced during sleep. Underscore 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 underscore. And there you have it. The truth about learning English while you sleep. While it's not a magic solution, sleep learning can be a powerful tool to enhance your memory and retention. By combining it with active study during the day, you can make faster progress and feel more confident in your English skills. Remember, the key is to be consistent and patient. Learning a language is a journey, and every little bit helps. Thank you so much for joining me on this episode of the English Adventure Histories. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel inspired to try sleep learning for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more English tips and tricks. Until next time, happy learning, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.